Good afternoon. Patay ko po kasi yung fitness. Okay. Patay ko po kasi yung tubig. Yung tubig. Good afternoon. Ayos sa isyata. Good afternoon. City Pagan Bureau of the Philippines of Giving Building Friendship is sponsored by Little Spray and Wilkes.
Promote ka.
Wala man niya na. Hindi na ba kayo? Kasama na yung galing ninyo. Little Spray na. Ay, nung namiyak nga nila. Gripo. Ay, di ba yung kismet na ito?
Jen.
Okay. You have completed the ceremonies. You have shown your legal capacity to contract marriage. You've accepted each other and you've given yourself to the other as well. Freely and voluntarily and in the presence of your witnesses, all in accordance with law. And so, by virtue of the authority vested in me as the mayor of Cagayan de Oro City, I now pronounce you, I now pronounce you Jackie Lou Larke Abok and Aileen Rontal Bolong, Alexander Relampago Rabe and Victoria Fe Contesol Concilio, Oliver Sabang Castillano and Jasmine Camposano Orbita, June Robert Panganiban Rofugo and Christine Jill Muico La Chica, Jurim Sungkalang Bertulfo and Maria Teresa Berneza Laude, and Ryan Las Doce Burizel and Alan Clay Auchan Granados. I now pronounce you respectively as husband and wife.
Yay!